Welcome back, everyone. It's Cody Hart for Government Accountability. It is Sunday, October 27th. I had an emergency broadcast for everybody. Very, very historic information to share with you today. If you are not aware, in the Mississippi Court of Appeals, the U.S. Federal Court has judged that ballots received after Election Day are illegal. And I wanted to get this news out as quick as I could and make sure everyone understood my position on it. The mail-in ballot fiasco that we've been dealing with in this country, the spike in ballots received after the 2020 election that so many of us are critical over. This is something that is a direct remedy to that. So for those of you out there, my opinion is at this point, you really should not mail your ballots in. You should be dropping them off. That's what I will be doing in person. If the post office, according to this U.S. Court of Appeals judgment, if they do not deliver it by Election Day, then the ballot will be considered illegal if received after Election Day. This is a historic ruling. The rumor mill out there is that this is right now, although it is standing federal law, it will likely lead to court cases after this election is over. And so in hopes of preventing your votes from not being counted, I must emphasize, please drop your ballots off. It's, in my opinion, the safest thing to do in a ballot box before Election Day or by Election Day. And that way we can avoid any late ballots coming in after Election Day from the mail service. And I think this is a great ruling, by the way. We had, again, a lot of turmoil in our country because of ballots that magically appeared and that were counted after the election was over. And this looks like we're on the right path now to actually having an election day and not an election month. As Washingtonians are more than familiar with, elections never end here. They just seem to keep coming up with more and more ballots after the election's over. And this ruling by the Court of Appeals in Mississippi appears to be the beginning of the end of that part of our lives. I'm hopeful for so. This article here is from the Reuters, and you feel free. There's a lot of articles out there about it. U.S. Appeals Court says counting ballots received after Election Day is illegal. And it goes on to say the U.S. Appeals Court on Friday said it was illegal for states to count mail-in ballots received after Election Day, siding with Republicans in a case challenging Mississippi's 5-day grace period. So they go on to say that up to 20 states across the country, I believe, will be impacted by this potentially. And I do believe Washington is one of them. And so everyone just better be safe than sorry. Drop your ballots off, I think, is the safest way to do it in the ballot box. And hopefully we can avoid any problems with this. But it's going to be quite the scene here coming up. Election day is approaching fast. Wanted to get this emergency notice out to everybody who might be thinking about mailing their ballot to think about it, think about the risk if this moves forward and your ballot may not be counted if it's received after Election Day. So let's all get our ballots in by Election Day. And again, the ballot boxes, I think, is the best way to do that. So please share this news with everybody. Everybody's vote should count. Thank you.